course my battery would die. That's why you have a backup.
Living like a race, yeah. Ay, living like a race. Living like a race. Ain't no sign of stopping, I'm on pace. I can see them plotting, it ain't safe. She know that I got it on the way. Told her get up.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to give a just wanted to say thank you guys for watching my last video. I do appreciate the love. I am going to be recording more going forward. Right now my car is aired up all the way, so that's why it looks like I have a crazy wheel gap. I did just get this box in. Let's see if y'all can see it. Just got this box in right now. Well, not right now. I actually got it the other day, but I'm working on the car now. But I'm actually replacing my headlamps finally. I have these stock ones. These are 10 years old. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, these things they're pretty bad. I think my car looks pretty good, especially when it's lowered, except for that. That's the only part I hate. I'm actually doing a chrome delete as well, so I have vinyl for that. That's going to be on another video coming soon. And yeah, I'm going to start taking this off, the bumper off, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Hey, just a real quick shout out to my boy Mike again, like always. He actually edited my last video, and I think it came out pretty fire. And I get a lot of feedback from it, but I definitely want to give him a shout out again because he gave me this Ceramonic V-Mic Mini, and I think it works pretty good. It's definitely better than the stock, phone mic. I'm actually recording this video with my iPhone, with the mic hooked up to it right now, and I know it is clearer, even though I'm further away. It's a lot clearer than just using the normal phone mic. But yeah, man, thank you so much for this. Definitely gonna put this to use with my videos. You guys should definitely give him a follow. I will definitely leave his YouTube page below and his Instagram in the description. Thanks, man. Alright, guys, so this is basically what you want to do. You have 2 bolts on each side of the bumper, and pretty sure it's a 10mm. That's what this car usually uses anyways, basically every car. They're right underneath the splash guard right here. So what you want to do is jack it up, turn the wheel a little bit. For me, it's easier if I just turn it inward. I actually don't even have my car jacked up right now. I just kind of aired it up higher than usual, which I think is an amazing perk for having bags. But yeah, man, all you do is take off the 2 here on the right side, take off the 2 on the other side, and then it should just pop off pretty fine. Just be careful with your grill, that's it. Especially if you have like the illuminating star right there with a wire. Just make sure. I just push it in, and there's like these little tabs right here that hold it in place at the bottom, and I kind of just pull the grill out from there. Or, oops, sorry. Or you can take the grill off right here. It basically just lifts up on both sides, but like I said, there are those tabs at the bottom, so you still have to push it in anyways. It is a lot easier doing it like that. I guess really it's just a preferred preference. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and then show you how to undo the headlights. Alright, so I lied. Forgot to mention 2 other bolts. So you got the 2 on the right side, 2 on the left side, of course, and then right under this little plastic piece, you can actually see it right here, right there, right behind my finger, that black bolt. Touching it right now, you can kind of see it. There it is, right there. You gotta undo that one, and then of course on the other side there's another one right down there. And then you can pull your bumper off. But yeah, 6 bolts total, and then you are good to go. Of course, my battery would die. That's why you have a backup. I actually went to change my shirt because it is so damn hot out here. Out here in Texas, in case y'all were wondering. But let me show you what's going on really quick. This is how hot it is out here. Like, I'm using my phone, and I was trying to record myself taking off the bumper, and my phone actually got too hot. Although you could even see the mic. My phone actually got too hot, so I had to let it cool down a little bit. That's how hot it is out here. So I got the bumper off. I was careful about putting it down on the floor, but just to show you guys, if you want to take it completely off, make sure you unplug your fog lights, and like I said, if you do have the LED emblem, make sure you unplug that too. Bam. And then of course the side marker lights, unplug those as well. So yeah. Alright, so that's basically what you see whenever you open up the box. Pretty sure that's for the LED strip that's on them. So this is what I'm going from. I'm going from this, and I took the film off this one already, to these. Ooh, and I think it's gonna look really good. Alright, so as far as the bolts, when you get the bumper off, from what I can see, and if I do remember right, I'm pretty sure there's only 2. It's this one right here in the front, right here on the side. Now this one, you're gonna need an 8mm socket. It's a little bit smaller, but there's only two, so it shouldn't take that long. But yeah, let me take this off and I'll show you what the light looks like. Alright, so I got both bolts off, and there actually is another one. It's right underneath this star-shaped bolt right here. You're just gonna have to reach around underneath and get it. It's literally, you can't even see it, it's too dark. Literally right under there. Just take that one off, so there's 3 total. 1, 2, and 3. And then the light should come off. Alright, got the light off. Like I said, there's the 3 bolts. Once you undo all of those, it literally just slides out. Just pull it straight forward. There is a plug you have to unplug at the bottom. Let me show you right here. And it's this plug right here. It's plugged up to the back right there. Oh damn, can't we see it? It's plugged right there. But yeah guys, these are the old ones. I mean, you can tell these are old. These are like straight OEM, 10 years old. My car's a 2010. This is exactly what the car came with. And this Texas heat is no joke. It just there's just a whole bunch of like tiny cracks in here. So yeah, hopefully y'all can see that. Let me get this switched out so it'll look a lot better. Alright, so I'm switching over my LED from my stock to my new ones. And mine actually the new ones came with the H11s. And mine are actually H7. So I'm gonna have to find like a converter or just order some new ones. I don't really want to order new ones just because this is like the 4th set of LEDs that I've had to order, and these are the only ones that haven't messed up on me. Maybe like O'Reilly's or AutoZone has an adapter for it, but we'll see. But I guess for now I could just run this. It'll probably look ugly, but hey, we'll see. Oh, and just as a friendly reminder, if you do have some aftermarket lights, you know, like LEDs, HIDs, make sure you do take them out. I shouldn't have to, you know, common sense, but just as a reminder, make sure you switch them over to the new ones. Alright, scratch what I just said. I actually can just buy the same brand, different size bulb. The only reason I did say that before was because when I went back to look at these, they actually said discontinued at first. And then when I just looked right now, they had them in the H11. So I just ordered those. But yeah, probably just give these to my buddy Graham. So yeah, let me get everything back together. And right now I'm just going to be running the stock light color instead of the LED one. I'm sure it'll still look good though. I will update you whenever I have it on the car. Alright, this is the little manual that it came with. Really, in my opinion, it's kind of useless. All it is just telling you how to adjust the height of it and all that, which I think, I mean, I already know it. I don't know if you guys know it, but I know it. And it just tells me how to properly, like, seal it, but it's already sealed and ready to go. And there's no instructions for these, which is cool because it's pretty straightforward. You have two sets of wires sticking out. All 4 of these boxes are exactly the same, so I'm just doing 1 box to each set of wire, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, just a quick update. I got them on right now. I tested them out. They work fine. They look really good. The 4 boxes that it does come with, it doesn't matter how you plug them up. They just basic power it, I guess, and they work fine. I'm assuming like one is for the LED strip, and then one is for like the turn signal. You can right there, those up top. But yeah, they look good overall. I went ahead and ordered some LEDs because they actually don't even seem that bright. They seem kind of dim in my opinion, but yeah, I think it looks amazing. I'm about to put the bumper back on just to get the whole look, and I'll lower it down for you guys too, just so you guys can see what my car looks like. Alright, I'm done with it. It's actually not that bad. It's you can probably knock it out in about like an hour tops. It's pretty quick. Only thing that took me a little bit longer was figuring out the whole LED situation. But yeah, I went ahead and ordered some anyways, so I'll post an update when I get those on as well. I'm also gonna post later in the video what these look like at night. But look, check it out. I think it looks so good. Way cleaner. Way cleaner. My car is dirty, sorry. But yeah, super clean. I know it's kind of reflecting, but see, hopefully you guys can see what I mean by the chrome delete and the panda theme. Like even that's blacked out, and then of course whenever I get my wheels, they're gonna be black as well. So I do have a question for anybody that is running these lights. How did y'all get the fitment so perfect? Because mine, this is just from being low, but like that right there, I feel like it should be a tighter fit. Like this, it should be like this side. It should be like that side. And then down here, I mean, y'all can obviously see that. Obviously, it doesn't look that bad from far away, but you know, when you get up close and pay attention to detail, this one's not as bad. At least it's even. So that's actually not that bad, but this one is super messed up. Alright guys, here for an update on the lights. It's a little bit darker now, so I can show you what it looks like. Let me unlock the car. Looks pretty cool. I think that looks dope. That looks really good. And then let me show you what the actual lights look like. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully this was helpful for anybody who is trying to change out their headlights, or even just changing the bulb. You know, you might not have to do all that, but hopefully it helps out in some type of way. If you guys are new to the channel, I just started doing mods on my car, and I do plan on keep going. I would appreciate any type of love, any subscribes, and commenting on my YouTube channel. And you know, again, I appreciate you guys. Hopefully this was helpful. See y'all next time.
Living like a race, yeah. Ay, living like a race. Living like a race. Ain't no sign of stopping, no more pace. I can see them plotting, it ain't safe. She know that I got it on the way. Told her get up.